New Tech Gadgets 2023 available on Amazon. All right, now starting off with something to protect your smartphone and privacy. We all know in this day and age you can't be too careful, right? Being huge on TikTok, we thought it only fitting to present this Mission Darkness bag that allows you to use your device while blocking any unwanted signals from hackers or anyone else who may be trying to steal your personal information or communications. It's made strong of nylon material and has a clear window so you can still use your phone while it's inside the bag. For a little over $50, this is a great investment to keep your information safe in a simple way. No aluminum foil required. Now, for added security, you may also enjoy the Snap-Pack Anti-Theft Backpack. That's right, James Bond doesn't get all the cool gadgets. This backpack can store all your valuables while being slash-proof to keep thieves from taking off with your valuables. And it has plush straps for added comfort. Now, this bag is a Kickstarter, but you can get yours with a pledge of $109 and they ship anywhere. As always, you can expand the description box and you'll find the link. Okay, our next item is a mini drone. And while pretty freaking awesome in my book, is priced starting at $769. It's a DJI Mini 3 camera drone, and it's lightweight. Think of your cell phone, but lighter. This thing has 4K HDR video, it's wind resistant and beginner friendly, so even your newbie friend will be able to fly it. And it has a 10-kilometer reception radius, so you don't have to be right under it in order for it to fly. Even cooler, the remote has a built-in screen, so you see what it sees. Now careful guys, use with caution. We don't want to see any of our viewers getting any bright ideas. You think these are awesome? Keep watching, you're gonna love these next gadgets. Now, let's say you let your buddy fly the drone and he does what I just said is very difficult to do. Hint, hint, your buddy is a loser, and he crashed your drone. It's getting dark and he wrecked it in the worst spot. You can't see in many of the places it could have gone down, and it'd be helpful if you had a flashlight. This house bell flashlight comes in at $20 and is compact while being durable. It has a zoomable beam which allows for focusing on objects up to 1,000 feet away. Now tell me that's not pretty awesome. It has 3 light modes which include low, high, and strobe. It's waterproof and requires 1 single AA battery. Man, that's even better than a lot of other flashlights where you need at least 2, right? So you save on batteries too. Now, this next one is a perfect little something for that special lady in your life. Whether it's your wife, girlfriend, or sister, this Astro AI digital tire pressure gauge is perfect for her to add to her glove box or trunk. With the jumper cable she has no idea how to use. It's easy to use and compact, so she won't even have to go to a gas station or even ask you to do it. All she has to do is press the on unit off button and she can instantly check her tire pressure, saving her time and you the headache of making sure she gets the best tire life, and you spend less time listening to her tire pressure alarm go off. This little guy is under $20, and trust me, to save the headache, it is worth it. Need a quick way to fill up an air mattress or a ridiculous amount of balloons for a birthday or other celebration? Well then look no further, because the Giga Pump 4.0 can do all the hard work for you. Equipped to be able to blow up balloons, air mattresses, and even the dreaded pool floaties that feel like they take a lifetime to fill. Not to mention the kids who don't want to help but feel like it should take 10 seconds to blow up a giant pool toy. This pump also has an air blow feature, so if you just need a small burst of air, it can do that too. Oh, and did I mention it also has a built-in camping light? Man, a lot of these gadgets I'd say you can safely buy for camping. Now, I will say this is also a Kickstarter item, but you can purchase it on their site for $69. Okay, now real quick, if you're watching this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new episodes. And for those of you who dare to watch till the end for the best new gadget, make sure to leave us a comment with the one that was your favorite, or if by chance you didn't like this video, let us know why in the comments below. Okay, now next up, we have 2 pretty awesome tools for the very masculine man who also likes his gadgets. The first one is a Gerber Lockdown, and no, it's not a tank for babies. This nifty gadget comes with double big driver, number 11 blade, all plain edges blade, and a file. Now, I know most of you know what an awl is, but for those of you who don't, it's something you use to poke holes in things. Just make sure you aren't using it to poke holes in your ex's tires after a bad breakup. Not that I have any experience in that. This tool starts at $50 on Amazon and is available in several different options. The second tool is a multifunctional pry bar. When I say multifunctional, I mean it. This thing isn't just for prying things open and serving up a cold beer. This tool also boasts the ability to use a screwdriver, break car windows, and use it as self-defense. It has a tungsten steel tip, and what may be even the most important, it has an everlasting pen. So now you can save yourself from a sinking car and then use the same tool to write about it. This baby comes in at $100, and while it isn't on Amazon yet, you can order it now from the link in the description. For those of you looking to take a trip, maybe to somewhere you don't know the language, check out these Time Kettle WT2 Edge Translator headphones. Probably the fastest way to translate 40 languages and 93 accents. Don't travel to a foreign country and not be able to communicate. This allows fast communication and translation within 0.5 seconds. You can use your headphones for both people, or you can use the headphones and show the other person your screen. Easy peasy. You don't miss out on a conversation. You don't struggle to find your way around, and probably best of all, you don't have to blow a whole bunch of time trying to learn the language before you leave. Now, this comes in black or white and also has an online and offline version. The starting price is $299 though, and goes up depending on if you choose online or offline. All right, we're coming up on our last one, so if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that button so you can catch our next upload, because we've got something special in store for our 100th subscriber. Okay, we just had to save this one for last, because if you thought some of these other ones were pretty insane, this one is next level James Bond insane. This isn't just any watch, it's an invisible watch. Now, I will say, when I realized the watch itself isn't actually invisible, I was a little disappointed, but when I saw what it does, my mind was blown. So, this watch uses special glasses to be able to see the display. The glasses are polarized, which allow you to see files from your PC to your watch. You can view texts, emails, and even photos right from your watch without anyone knowing what you're seeing. So, having a hot and steamy convo with your bae? No one will ever know with this invisible watch. Not to mention, it will impress at parties. Now, don't be left behind. Check out our next video, 17 amazing next-level car inventions.